Today I am going to tell you how to check installed graphics in your computer. So if you want to know how to check, watch video fully without skip. So let's start. Right click on your desktop, then go to display setting, scroll down, then click advanced display setting, and then click display after properties of display 1. There you will, there are your all information about installed graphics in your computer. So in my computer, there are Intel SD graphics 620 are installed in my computer. There is all information about my graphics installed in my computer. If you like this informative video, subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video.